votes are in, and you guys asked for stuffed mini peppers in the air fryer. So here we go. I have 1.5 pounds of mini peppers and then also 2 boxes of the Boursin cheese. First, you cut by slicing the peppers in half and then use a spoon to seed and take out that inside membrane. And this is a family favorite. I get requests for this all the time now, but it's super simple, only a couple of ingredients. So it's a little tedious, to be honest, but totally worth it. Since I'm using 2 different cheeses, I did choose to mix them together for more consistent flavor, but totally up to you. You can do whatever you choose. It is very flavorful, so really you only need a thin layer when you're spreading it into the peppers, but you can make it as thin or as thick as you'd like. I have had a few leftover jalapenos, and this is really good with jalapenos as well. So it's a great low-carb appetizer snack, and it reheats very nicely. So once you've got all of your peppers stuffed, you're gonna wanna get out your air fryer and turn it on to 375. Depending on your air fryer, they'll take about 4 to 5 minutes. I was kind of in between depending on how hot my air fryer was between batches, but enjoy.